Shalom, and thank you so much for your patience. As I promised, I've been working on the End Time Order Events breakdown. It's an 8-part series that will walk you through my thought processes to explain the PDF and initial summary video that was created about the end times. I've also posted a second PDF in the Dropbox. The link will be included below. The only change that was made was to the names of Yeshua and Yahuwah as opposed to Yehoshua and Yahweh. There may still be some imperfections when it comes to Adonai, Yahuwah, and Yeshua because it's still a continual growth process for me, so therefore I'm apologizing in advance. Now, I did leave out the initial PDF that was in the Dropbox. I'm only adding the second PDF that only changed the names and nothing else. So everything else should mirror and remain the same as the initial document. And also, before I stepped away from YouTube, I did explain that I had a lot of information to share and needed to sort out how I was going to present it. I've decided to first provide the breakdown of the End Time Order of Events, which again consists of 8 videos. After that, I have several other videos that will be following those videos. These videos will also relate to the end times and will actually help put some of the end time biblical prophecy into a more clear perspective. They're going to add additional layers to these next series of videos for the end time order events, like the breakdown of it. It's actually going to be more layers, so they are all going to build upon each other. The breakdown of the end time order of events is really only a bare bones, and there's still so much more to discuss. In fact, it's so much that I won't be able to present everything even after I presented the additional videos that will follow the 8 that are coming up. But it's very important to watch all the videos because they are progressively building upon each other. And there's so many layers and so much understanding that has to be had in order to know what's really going on in the last days. So the first 8 videos will give you a little bit of insight into what's going on, but it's the videos that will follow them that will give you the revelation of where we're at and what is really going on right in front of your face. You'd be shocked to find out how all of this stuff is coming together and how they are executing and carrying out their plans right in front of you. You're watching it. You're most likely participating in it. I know that they've indoctrinated us into some of this stuff since we were children. And they've got your children, some of you, your grandchildren, you, yourself. They have us, and they've had us participating in this system. And they put all this stuff in our face, and they can do it because we don't understand what's going on. And they're taking advantage of the fact that most people, the good majority of people, have no clue what they're doing. They don't fully understand what's going on. And, knowledge is power, and without the knowledge and understanding of what's really going on, they're able to carry out their plan right in front of your face, and no one is alarmed. So the next series of videos, like I said, will build on the end time order events breakdown, but it's also going to shine some light on what direction all this is headed and let you see what you can't see, even though it's standing right in front of your face. I have to warn people that I may say things that you're probably not going to like in these next series of videos, but I strongly encourage that you try not to take anything personal because nothing in my video is targeted to any one person. It's really just the information that I have to present. And what I've discovered is there's no way around me presenting something that people just don't like. But I have to. I don't know how to present anything that's not going to offend someone somewhere. But I do recommend that if you find that you don't like certain things that I'm saying, don't be so quick to shut me out or shut me down. Continue to watch, not because I need your viewership, because to me, that's not necessary. The fact that I have anyone listening to me at all makes a world of difference, because I'm only here to share information. And I'd say that if you get caught up in not liking what I have to say and you shut me down too quickly, you may miss some very important information. And a lot of it is in these 8 videos, but a good core of it is going to come after these videos. And a lot of the videos built on top of each other, so you kind of want to watch the whole series of videos. So that's all that I have. Thank you so much again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next wave of videos. Shalom.